So I seen this comment and I was like, I need to make Forky. What the heck? I've never made a video on Forky, y'all. Of course, we're gonna be starting off with some white chocolate, okay? And I'm gonna be putting it in a little sandwich baggie because we're gonna go ahead and make a bunch of little triangles, okay? We're gonna be making the actual little forky things, you know what I mean? What makes an actual fork. Once these are ready, we're gonna go ahead and place them on the top of the berry like this. And we're gonna go ahead and dip it. So yeah, this didn't end up really working out for me. It ended up looking like that. It looks like it just got bumps on his fucking forehead. A lot of you guys asked me what food coloring I like to use, and this is one of the brands that I love to use. It's called Chocolate Chameleon, and if you guys have not tried it, then y'all better get on that, okay? But anyways, we're gonna be going back and doing the little white eyes and then tracing them around with some black chocolate. Y'all know Forky got one eye bigger than the other one, so I tried to do that, but I feel like it didn't really work out for me. Don't judge him, okay? He is not, I don't know. Y'all let me know what the fuck y'all think about how my Forky look. I just added up his little eyebrow on top, and now I'm just going back and doing his little blue smile. Oh my goodness, you guys, I love Forky. He's so freaking funny. But for real, let me know what you guys think about this. I'm not a fan of it. That's why I ended up fucking eating his ass, like the fuck. And this is what happened to my berries that I fail on. Okay, bye.